If you're wondering how to use nail stickers and think, oh, that looks easy, but I can't do it, it is easy. So I'm going to show you the difference between nail stickers and decals. I'm going to show you the easy French, totally easy. And I'm featuring some Madame Glam beautiful autumn colours. So let's get swatching and get this design done. I've got some Madame Glam swatches for you today, and I am going to do a set of autumn nails because I got these Madame Glam polishers in shades that were making me think of autumn. So I've not really done many autumn nail sets this year so far, but I've already put the names on, and I'll see if I can manage to get the right polish on the right nail this time. Now, to carry on with the Perfect series, I've been trying to get one every time because I think they're fabulous. So this is Perfect Yellow. So let's see if this stands up to the rest of them, and it is a perfect yellow. So let's have a look. Well, it is definitely yellow in capital letters. Goodness me, yes. And this is where I can't stop myself stroking it. Yeah, definite yellow. So that's good. So if you have not ever had Madame Glam gel polishes, they are certified vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, henna-free, palm oil-free. And that is the ingredients if you want to screenshot that. I've got to get used to the reflection coming off this light, as I said in my last video, or did I not? That might be coming in the next video. Anyway, because I've got the October launch coming soon. This one is pumpkin pie. So it should be a very deep orange, this. Which I think is what we used to call russet. Oh, yeah, rusty orange pumpkin pie. Let's get the right one. Autumn Aura. So this is a pinky shade. Which is going to really blend nicely with browns. I thought it's just the right shading, or hue as we call it. And then this one is No Rules. So I've got Eve ready, and I've just used some extra long stiletto tips because I'm not building them today, I'm just painting them. I'm just going to get her sorted out, but I don't want to do stiletto, I want to change it to a ballerina or coffin, whichever you want to call it. I think when they're more long and slender, I tend to call them ballerina, but yeah, I've done them short, so they're probably what you might call coffin. Whatever makes you happy. There we go. So I'm just going to prep those with some acid-free primer and some base coat, and then we'll crack on. I'm going to paint them all in this neutral pink, which is called Shaka. It's got a jelly-like look to it. There we go. So 2 coats on all the nails of that. So while that's finishing curing, I'll just show you. If you've already used stickers before, you might not want to watch this bit, but if you've been buying from somewhere maybe English is not the first language. Sometimes they call things stickers and they're not, they're actually decals. So I'll show you when you get them an easy way of knowing. When you get your stickers, there might be a bit more of a plasticky background. If the decals, they tend to be a proper paper. They might have a film over the front, which you need to take off. But if you look at these, if I tilt it to the side, I'm hoping you can see the lens. Let me have a look. Can you just see on that toadstool on the right hand side? You can see around the edge of it. So you know it's a sticker. So again, like that with the acorn. So that's a sticker. Whereas this one, pull it out so it's not shiny. Oh, this one actually tells you on the back because it's a proper water slide company. But just so you can see, it's more of a papery background, so it goes wet when you put it in. And you can't see any edge. You can't see any edge to the actual detail, which means you'll cut it out and use water with it. So if you want to see them on a different video, I'll show you those. These again, you can tell these are stickers in without me even taking them out, because you can see a little line all the way around the detail. Yeah, so you know you just peel them off and stick them on. And then there's also this sort of sticker which is for doing the lines. This is a French, and I'm going to use this today. So I'm going to use this on this finger here, and what I'm going to do first is wipe off that tacky layer. I don't want the gel polish when I put it on to seep underneath, using that tacky layer to kind of pull it through. So I'm just going to wipe that off. And then with some tweezers, I'm just going to peel one off. So I'll bend and then it'll lift. So the only difficult part about this is actually placing it on your nail. So I'm going to try and get hold of the middle like this, and I'm painting below it, not above it, so I want the bottom of it to be as far down as I want it to be, which is about there. So just sticking that on and make sure I've tucked it right in and crease it in there. That's it. And then I'm just going to paint my colour on. I'm going to use 3 of the colours that I've got today, and also this one, which is Urban Green. And this is one of the Korean formula. But it's a lovely sort of sagey green. And I'm just going to put too much on there. I'm just going to paint away from that sticker. Hair, good. I'm sorry if you can hear my washer spinning. That's it. Now before I cure that, I'm going to get that off. That's it. And then cure. And that's just disposable. So I'm going to do that on all of them, then we'll come back, put some pretty stickers on, So if that's all gone to plan, they'll be great. If they're not, don't panic too early, because depends on where you're putting your other stickers. And you can always, that's the nice thing about stickers, is you can always decide once you've painted your background where you're going to put them. So you see that's not quite right. So that's definitely getting a sticker. So what I'm going to do is, so these stickers stick, I'm going to take off that tackle layer again from the bottom of them. There we are. And then decide what I'm going to do. So this is all going to be the autumn bits and bobs. Not sure where this is from, I've got to be honest, so I'm sorry, but just whatever your favourite stickers are. So let's start off with that little thing, and let's get an acorn on that. So that's soon sorted that out. There we go. Make absolutely sure that my edges are down. And then I think that one can have this tiny squirrel. Oh, don't know, he looks quite cute. I have him. Right, I'm going to purposefully put him over the edge. And then I'm just going to cut that little edge off. Do I like him? Do you know, I'm not sure if I do. No, I don't. So, some stickers will remove easier than others, so do a bit of trial and error. I'm going to have, I want grey, I think, against it. I want one of them facing the other way. How is here? That's better, I can see that better. I'll just cut that off. Slightly short of the edge. Yep. So I do a base and then a top on these. So before that peels up or anything, actually, I'm going to have another little tiny acorn. If I can pick him up. Up there. Just to kind of tie it all in. And over the end. There we go. So on this one, I think I'm going to go for a little toadstool. And a little leaf coming down. Let's go for these tiny leaves. That one, and this yellowy one. I don't think they're actually going to peel up, so I'll stick on to the next one first. So now I want squirrel again, but what a nice big one. So we'll have... He's cute, isn't he? Let's have him facing the other way. Oh, I've torn that, look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change tack and pick that up from the bottom. And do against that split first. There we go. So here they are, super cute. I'll just zoom you in a bit. Whoop. There, super cute, easy, so easy. So thank you very much for Madame Glam for sending me these. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've clicked the bell if you have subscribed, because otherwise you won't know when I've uploaded. But thank you very much for all your likes and comments. I love you loads. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.